Гуанчжоу, встречай. Китайцы, конечно, молодцы. Это второй город, в котором я уже бываю. Это нечто. Просто за 15 лет они такое сделали. Это... Нам может только сниться такое, понимаете? Yeah. Вот что-то предлагают. Давайте на английском. Yeah. Hello, I'm from Russia. Yeah, Mr. Vladimir Putin say hello to Mr. Vladimir Putin.
Well,
Yes.
we have hardware and soup and some of the outdoor products too.
Okay.
And are you interested in it?
Yes.
Yes. It,
Yeah?
Yeah.
you can
I can go to there.
free to register.
And what stage or what gate or what
You just go inside and register.
this way and when? I need to put this, yes? No? Need to put this?
No. We
Куда-то
Are you
заводят.
the buyers?
Huh?
Buyers.
Buyers?
Buyers.
Buyer, yes, I'm buyer.
Yeah.
Yeah, buyer. I'm a pilot.
This way.
This way, okay.
And have the re-register.
Okay, let's do this. Yes? Who
Register.
speak English? No, I first time in my life here. I'm from Russia, man. Okay.
Very your information.
Yes. Can I put this?
Use.
Да, сейчас запутались, ищем циферку. Да, циферку. This,
这怎么打？
where is this symbol?
这是你是哪国家的？
它是俄罗斯的。
Тут, короче, целая консилиум. Say hello. We all find one symbol. Yes. Вроде что-то нашли.
为什么是 N66？不是66。
Oh, it's not N. It's number. Yes, it is with. Okay, I will show you. Что-то ничего не понятно. Короче, ищем этот символ N. Сказали, без символа N не канает. Вот толпой ищем.
但是其实就是它的那个格式不一样，填不了。它那护照不是信号可以跳过？对呀、可以不填护照啊。对，护照不是必填项，你可以让它直接选就可以。
No, motorbike.
你要开始搞定了。
开始搞定，
要么就
给我拍一下他的信息下来，
把
滑上去。
把天恩，把当 A 写，大家都。
OK。
What's your business type?
I'm lucky because you are so friendly.
Yeah.
My respect for you.
What's your business type?
采购商。
Yes. What it is?
你把它当 A 写，跟当就是写 N 就好，写 N 把那个护照号写 N 就好。
写 N 吗？但是他说不是，那就非不要。
不行。
不写。
No N.
No, and it's a symbol of number. Okay.
So which number is it?
If I put my chick and this boom, it will be
It's
okay,
okay?
Maybe it's okay.
应该可以。
Короче, без символа.
Oh, it's okay.
цифр. Oh, it's okay. Yes, good.
哦，我知道了。
Thanks,
它其
thanks.
实那个不是个什么字母，
直接扯下来
把那个数字连起来，它是一个 N。
哎，我是扯错了。
它是一个 N 的连接字母，对。
Thanks, very thanks.
Okay.
Okay, it's another
check it
badge,
out.
yes? Okay. Okay, I will put this second. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
帮你拍个照啊，我留念。
Yeah. We can take a photo together if you want.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
OK，
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, bye. Very big thanks. Okay, and now what I need to go here.
Have a nice
What?
day.
Thanks, and you? For you, a nice day too. Okay, thanks. I need to take this or this?
This one.
Oh, this one. Okay. Okay, thanks. And then where's the motorbike? This.
You can
2C40, yes.
2C 是就是2C 我也不要，应该是应该 2 号，应该5。
Yes. And then I ask some questions for another people. Yes. Okay, thanks. Короче, тут половина китайцев знает, а английский половина не знает. Но идем искать. Дали проходку на бесплатный тест мотоцикла. Вот, ищемся, смотрим. Hello. What you can told about your product?
Product is about the wireless charging. That is.
I will put this video to YouTube. You don't? Okay. Okay, I will say about you.
Yes.
I'm from Russia.
Russia. Okay.
Say hello to Mr. Vladimir Vladimirovich. Okay, what's your product?
Our product is about the wireless charging. This is used in the car. Yes, this is used in the table in our home or some.
Oh yeah, I understand. And it is with fun, yes, with fun.
We can show you how to use it.
Oh, okay.
Turn around.
这有个按键。
How many things in 1 month you can do?
What?
How many things in 1 month you can do this?
他说在1个月之内能做多少？
1,000, 2,000, 500.
哦，您需要多少？
How many do you need?
I just see what I want, what I saw. I
他
just.
只是说展示一下，就是说大概问一下我们1个月能做多少。
哦，
But if I need 300, you can. In
1个
month,
月的
1
话
month.
材料充足的情况下，我们能做2到3万。
20,000 a month. If the
Okay,
material is-
I will take this card. It is your number.
Yes, this is number.
WhatsApp you have?
Yes。
你有
WhatsApp you
WhatsApp
have?
吗？
啊？
你有 WhatsApp 吗？你就 yes。
没有，no。要不给我个名片？
WeChat you have. WeChat is here.
对对
WeChat is here.
You can use we， 这是你加到的能加到的。
Okay.
对
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I will send you a message.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
他应该是海外的博主。
Там заинтриговал, короче, ребят. Ну тут сегодня сегодня такая выставка. Что-то в кепочке-то жарко. Вау, я тут что-то нашел такое. Прям ух. Hello. This is for only for car, yes? Audio for car?
Mọi người lúc này thì rất đẹp. Đấy. Đặt trên nó. Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Сейчас будем фоткаться. For my phone too, please, okay?
Đây. Nhanh đi, đầu cách. Yes.
Okay. Together.
Okay, please.
Yeah. Right. 4-1. How many it will be cost? Короче, сложно с китайцами общаться через переводчик, но это возможно. А теперь мы переносимся в рубрику мотоциклов. Hello, who speak English?
I can.
You can, okay. I got a flyer. Some guys give me this flyer and he said that can I use them for free testing a motorbike for 2 liters motors, 1000 horsepower. This is true? 100 horsepower?
100
Horsepower.
hours.
Yes, they give me this, and they say 100 horsepower is free. You can test it.
他说100个小时什么免费，就是这个证100小时。
Maybe it was a joke. Maybe not 100 horsepower.
Who give you?
Oh, in
Outside?
yeah.
Outside. They're not sure. Oh,
Here,
Yes.
hoodie.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fair. But I think it is joke for about 100 horsepower. Yes.
You can check with them.
I don't know. I think it's a joke.
But I would think it's a yes, because I have a motorbike.
Yeah, this is really crazy.
Okay, here.
Yeah, the hoodie, red one.
Hoodie. Oh, okay, thanks, bye. Короче, тут поугорал, я говорю, дали флаер, тут, говорю, бесплатно прокатиться на мотоцикле 1000 лошадиных сил. Они такие, что? Я говорю, ну да, короче, шутим. Hello. Some guys give me a flyer. He gave me this flyer. They said you need to go here, give this flyer, and you can test it. A motorbike for 1000 horsepower. I think it is joke. Yes.
1000 watts?
1000 horsepower. I think it is joke. Yes.
No, more.
More. Oh.
灭火的 electric motorcycle battery.
Yes.
Yes. We can make any products you want.
I have a motorbike, but I didn't have an electric bike. I have a benzene. This is Shinrei El Crosso. You know Shinrei? It is Enduro for tourists. Enduro for tourists. Tourists, yes. Yes, like Africa.
It's a brand.
It's a brand, yes. But some guys give me this and they said me you can try free. For 1,000 horsepower, it was a joke.
It's more.
Okay.
5,000. It's okay. No
Okay,
problem.
can I test it or I can't?
What? You want to visit? Visit what?
I don't know.
You want to visit this fair? This
Maybe.
maybe just check.
Let's check, okay.
Let's check.
What's your name?
Can.
Ken?
Yes. So,
My name is Sanya.
Sanya.
I'm from Russia. Say hello to Mr. Vladimir Vladimirovich. Say hello.
Just try.
Yes, can I try here?
Yes, try.
I can give you my telephone. It
Yeah.
will be okay. Can you show me?
Can you pick up me?
Yes, if you want. Let's go.
Can I?
你在说不要骑太快啊。
Oh.
Okay, let's put the telephone number and with some.
What?
Give me yours too. I will put here.
Don't too fast, okay?
Okay, don't fast.
Okay, go.
Go left or right.
May I?
Okay, Mia. Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Go, sir.
不可以，不可以。
不可以是这样吗？
你要撕的话，车推出去，
啊，
到那个摆廊。
推出去是啊，
对，不可以骑的，
不可以是
不可以在馆里骑，
啊
知道吧？
啊啊。He said you can try, but you should walk. walk to that area.
This
yes.
area.
Yeah.
Then pass
Okay.
here. Yes.
Okay. For walk and then we.
Yes.
Okay. Like
It's a
so.
rule. It's a rule.
Okay. Yes, it's rule. It's. Okay. Where I need to go? Here.
这样你走到摆廊那边。
So funny. So.
Yes.
我给了你们。
跟我们吧，你跟我们。Okay, you can try. Okay, you can try. Go.
Okay.
Go, sir.
It's parking.
Wait a moment. Okay, go.
Yes, I'm ready. Go.
Yes, go.
Go. Yeah, it's very cool. Yes.
You can try fast.
Yes, I can.
Oh.
But you need to.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
No safety.
Because it's safety. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's try front rear. Okay, good. And then let's try rear. Brake.
So funny.
Yes. Oh. It's very cool. Yes.
Yes, excellent.
Do you have a motorbike?
Motorbike?
Yes. No, electrobike.
Electric. This is electric. All of them are electric. You
Yes,
want gasoline?
I.
No.
What?
No.
I have a gasoline.
Yes.
And I didn't have a electric bike.
So you want to buy it? Buy one?
I want to buy 1,000.
Yes. This This one is 2000 watts. 2000 watts.
Yeah.
And it can reach to 2000 watts. Speed is 85 kilometer per hour. 85.
Okay. Let's go to parking.
Okay.
This is a baby for 1000 horsepower, yeah?
Come on, 1000 watts not for baby, okay?
Okay.
Maybe for women, for students. So you are a big guy. Maybe you should suitable for 5000 watts. Okay, just put just
I will
lay
put-
here. Just lay here.
Good. This is a keys here. This is your telephone.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. This is mine.
This is mine.
Oh,
I
this
can-
is yours. Yes, where's mine? Вот так прокатились на мотоцикле. Круто. Say hello.
Hello.
Thanks. Yeah. Russia, say hello to our friend China.
Is it you?
Yes, it is me.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Kit Kat.
Okay.
Kit Kat. Oh, what's your name?
Can.
Can. Yes, Can.
So if you need, you can contact me.
Can. Oh.
CAN.
Can I help you? Opa. Oh, sorry. Can.
Yeah.
Yes, can. Yes, we can. Yes, like can. Yes, we can. Okay, this is your visit, yes?
Yes, this is my new car.
Okay. L, can.
Yes.
Why L?
Arrow is my family name.
Okay. That's good. And can I use some that? Cause today will be many this.
Many catalog.
Yes, many catalog. Okay. Thanks. I will hope, but your company will be very good, and I wish you will take a breakfast after 50 years with your grandson and granddaughter, and they will be a director of your film. Yes?
Do you have
TikTok? I don't have TikTok. Only.
So you just take a vlog?
Sorry?
You just take a video to record
I can't send to you this video.
Ah, I know. So you just take a video for record your daily life?
For my YouTube channel.
Oh, YouTube. You have
Yes,
YouTube.
I have a YouTube.
YouTube.
Do you have a TikTok?
YouTube.
No, only YouTube.
YouTuber.
YouTube.
YouTuber.
It's,
Will you share the video in your?
it will be, but in the summer, okay? Not yet, because now I'm going to walking.
Your YouTuber thing is what?
This is YouTube, yes?
Yes, YouTube.
Okay. And I like travel on motorbike.
Oh, travel motorbike.
Yes.
You are traveling a blog.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Вот очень добродушные люди в Китае, по крайней мере, днем. Ну ладно. Надарили всякого. Так, сейчас еще бы выбраться. Короче, будем искать выход. Вот здесь, еще здесь. Здесь что только нету. Хочешь тебе 1000 поставят, хочешь 1 000 000 поставят. Короче, нет предела у Китая. Я уже вышел на улицу, но, короче, не могу понять, как выйти в гостиницу. Нет, я, короче, сейчас, я знаешь, где нахожусь? Где вот эта вот улица центральная. Мы же объехали ее. Вот, сейчас я поверну налево и все, и в принципе буду возле гостишки. Have a good day.
На, водичку хочешь пить?
Да пока закинь, не хочу.
Оплатилось? Ну, круто, да?
О, Серег, первое впечатление Алипея.
Ты через Вичат, да?
Да, через Вичат.
Покажешь?
Weixin Pay.
Пойдемте присядем, я вам кое-что покажу. Я сейчас прикинь.
На стиле, что ли?
Серега, я сейчас, короче, на мотике гонял. Мне
На
дали,
этом, что ли, мелкий, который такой этот?
ну, средний.
А,